Hey guys, Enzo and I are outside and we are about to give the FJ a quick interior wipe down. We were, well, I was planning on just working the rest of today. However, I checked the weather app real quick and saw that we're supposed to get a rain-snow mix starting here in the next hour or so. And then the temperature's gonna drop significantly. Right now it's about high 40s. And by the time the night's over, we're gonna be in the low teens or maybe even single digits. So I had been putting this off and had intended to put this off for another day or two. However, one of the benefits of making your own hours is we can take advantage of the good weather while we have it still and get this done.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you?
Oh, get your...
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. We pick up the pieces.
So we are done with the quick interior job of the FJ, just to get a little bit of that salt and debris out of the off the floor and the doors and so forth. That's going to do it for us today. Enzo did get to play a little bit outside while I was doing that, so it works well for him too as far as getting some energy out. And I think we're going to call it here, because Enzo is trying to get his ball out from underneath the Evo. Enzo, you want to say bye? Oh, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.